It's James, also known as JV Hack. Today it's a quick video on 5 growth stocks to buy and hold for 2021. I'm going to go straight into it. The first one is Tesla. I'm using this site here called year-to-date-return.com. Tesla, if you invested $10,000 in January 2020, you would now have almost $80,000. It's had a crazy run, 690% year to date. Still only a $629 billion market cap. I do see Tesla being up there with Apple one day. Apple has around, just over $2 trillion market cap. So that's currently, a 4x from the current share price of $663. So we could see $2,000 again. A lot of fund managers such as Cathie Wood from ARK Invest are still very bullish on Tesla despite this, the stock split this year. We could see another stock split if we go back into the thousands. It's definitely a stock you want to buy and hold for 2021. The second one is Square. Square is a company I'm sure you've heard of. It's a payments company. They do loans. It's the number one app to buy cryptocurrency in the US. If you invested $10,000 in Jan 2020, you would now have just over $36,000. They currently have a market cap of 82 billion, which is hardly anything. Given how big they are getting and how big they will be in 2021. And year to date, 264%, so not as much as Tesla, but still, it's still pretty amazing. You would have, made almost 3.5 times, your investment. I do see Square having a bigger year in 2021, so it is a must-have for anyone who's looking to get into growth stocks. Number 3 is a company called SE, known as C Limited. They're focused more on gaming and e-commerce, specifically in Asia, but they are broadening their markets into Europe and US. Again, if you invested $10,000 in Jan 2020, you will now have $48,000. That is huge. They had a really good run, 380% up year to date. Market cap, 92 billion. And what's interesting, the day I'm filming this, they were down almost 7%. I actually bought some SE today when it was around 180. And it's a company I'm going to hold throughout 2021 because I do see even greater returns this time next year. The fourth company is a company I'm sure you've heard of. It's called Shop, also known as Shopify. And so, this company, let's have a look. $10,000 invested in Jan 2020 will now have $30,000. So you would have 3x'd your money. So that's over 200% year to date. Again, it took a hammering today. I didn't buy any Shop today, but I will be looking to add in the next few days if this downtrend continues. They do have a $127 billion market cap. A lot of analysts and estimates are very bullish on Square, see it being a $500 billion market cap. So looking at a 4x from where we are here, so potentially a $4,000 stock. Shortly, I can't give time limits on these things, but that's Square. And the last one is Amazon, which you may be surprised to hear, but Amazon remains a staple for growth investors, especially long-term growth investors, just because it's Amazon. They're basically doing everything now, not just e-commerce, but they're also getting into healthcare, pharmacy, food. Let's have a look at the numbers. $10,000 invested in Jan 2020 would have got you $17,000. Doesn't seem like a lot, only 71% up, but it definitely is pandemic proof. It's COVID proof. For those other growth stocks which may be a bit more volatile, or if there's any issues with lockdowns now being stopped, and a lot of the returns on those COVID stocks basically won't be doing so well. Amazon, though, remains stable. It's not as volatile as the others, and you kind of want that. You kind of want that reassurance in your growth portfolio. So this is definitely one to buy and hold. Massive market cap, 1.6 trillion, but well deserved. Looking at the price, these guys are heading for a stock split in 2021. I can see it. it won't be long now. So yeah, that's my video. 5 stocks to buy and hold through 2021. Let me know your thoughts and comments below. There are loads of others. In fact, I'm writing a guide at the moment. So yeah, PayPal, Net, and Unity were the close runner-ups. This guide I'm writing will be available soon. Do follow me on Twitter if you haven't. That's where I'll be. That's basically where you can download it. It's twitter.com/JVHack. See you in the next one, guys.